We just got in. It's really cold out. We got quite a bit of snow this morning. Roads were terrible on our way here, but we made it. Brady killed a big one here last weekend. There was another good one in the field too. We come in, pulled some cards. They've been in here quite often. They're calling for more snow, so we're gonna see what happens. I carried my whole case to the stand. I don't want any moisture getting in my muzzleloader. We should have a lot of deer come out here tonight, being as cold as it is. So get this thing loaded. Sit back and see what happens. There's a couple deer right here. 2 does. Oh, buck right here, buck. It's him, it's one we're after. We're gonna leave this window closed until he gets in here. He's about to hit the backfield back there.
Yeah, I seen him go down.
Oh, we just smoked our target deer. Oh my gosh. It's been pouring snow. Oh, we all tagged a buck in the last 3 weeks here in the late season. It's just been crazy. All the hard work we put in this year, all the food plots and stuff, it's really paid off. Oh, he just shot him at like 35, 40 yards. Brady shot his almost the same exact steps last week. Just couldn't get any better than that. Oh my gosh, Max killed a good one yesterday. Oh my god, I cannot believe that just happened. I looked up, I seen a couple does coming out, and sure enough, I just smoked him, baby. Oh, so that's pretty big. Yeah, he's way bigger than I thought. Not bad at all, really. Heavier than I thought. Yeah, that's him. Yeah, he's just not very wide, but big old head and everything on him. All right, we came in here tonight after this deer. Brady tagged out last weekend. Max just tagged out the other day. I filled a tag yet. I actually had missed this deer earlier in the year with my bow. Just misranged him, and he was out here actually when Brady shot his deer, and we come back in here looking for him. We weren't for sure
if all the commotion was going on last week, if he'd be back or not. But we put so much food and stuff in this year, and these deer just been hammering these plots. And he was one of the first deer on the field tonight, and went ahead and harvested him. He ran probably 75 yards on up the hill, and the rest is history. Couldn't be happier. Bringing in the new year, we're ready for next year. This puts an end to the season for us.